Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shellie Geigle with J&S Hobbies and Crafts, and today's What's New is on a new paper pad that we just had arrive at the store. And I don't believe this is new to market. I think this has been out, but this is new to our store. It's the Stamperia Blue Dream. And it's the 12 by 12, 10 double-sided sheets. This is an awesome summer paper pad to do your mini albums with. It's bright, summery, and if you're heading to the ocean or just like the water theme. So let's get into it. And I'm going to try and get that into frame. We have some gorgeous artwork here, perfect, and nice background. So I'm going to flip through it pretty quickly. I just want to show you what's on the inside. Sometimes it helps with determining whether or not you want the paper pad or not. But this is a good one for a summer album. We've got a lot of beautiful colors in here. We have the 6 by 6 panels, which is also really nice to have when you're doing mini albums or if you want to do a quick card or other projects, journaling. And on the back we have a series of other prints, which is nice. It's not just the frame. You got a choice there. And then we got this. And we got some gorgeous pink flowers. The lighthouse. I like when they have the lighthouses in some of these beach themed. That's a pretty background. Very nice. I hope to take a vacation soon and have an atmosphere like this. Boy, that's just gorgeous, isn't it? I like that background. Can you imagine waking up, coming outside the sliding glass door and just seeing that? Oh my gosh. Very pretty. And then we come to smaller panels. A lot of good artwork in here in the back. We got the seashells. Another background. And then we come to the back page, which is also our cut-aparts. And they gave us a good variety here. A lot of good stuff to fussy cut out. Meet me where the sky touches the sea. Let the sea set you free. A lot of good stuff here. I wanted to see something. So the back cover of, or the back of the front cover, we've got a nice background sheet to go with this. So let me know what you think of this. If I do a summer album beach theme, this may be the one I'd want to use. It's very colorful, it's happy, and get you into that summer spirit. Head out to the ocean. Happy crafting, everybody. I will see you Monday when my flower shaping tutorial comes out.